Last night, the Sacramento Kings were leading at the half against Washington. Not a good second half. They lost the game tonight. Very good first half, leading by as many as 15. Right now, they are up 52-45 as they take on Denver in the Mile High City with Krista Blanc. I am Jim Cosmo. And Krista, considering the day, the travel that Sacramento has had to undertake, I would say this is a successful start to a game.
I think so, too. I think there's a lot of hype going on with AI joining the Nuggets, and I think there was a lot of excitement in the air. They've got a good crowd there considering the weather, but yet Sacramento able to come in, even though the conditions have been pretty harsh on them today, and play a very solid first half.
All right, so Sacramento playing without Ron Artest in this ball game as well. He stayed home with the sore knees. John Salmons gets another start, second start in as many nights. He's performing quite well in the first 24 minutes, 16.6 assists.
Very impressive. A couple of games now in a row, and that's the consistency that you want to see from this player. Nice game just last night, and now he comes in here and he's mixing it up. It's been offense, it's been defense from him, but he's playing smart. But the key really is that he's finishing, and I love the consistency that we're starting to see. You can tell he's starting to really feel much more confident out there with this group.
Before the game, we talked about the Kings' backcourt and how they have been playing this season. Kevin Martin has had a great breakout year for Sacramento, while Mike Bibby's numbers are down over his overall career numbers, and it has not been a very consistent season for him. A lot of it the same tonight. Mike Bibby struggling, but 10 points in the first half for Kevin Martin. He continues to impress. Like you said, maybe twist his ankle more often.
Absolutely. It definitely makes you step up your game, and we have seen that from him. And the confidence that Kevin Martin brings this season, I am just amazed by it, and I think a lot of people are. No one's going to be surprised by it anymore, but yet no matter who they seem to face, I think people know about him now, but yet he still seems to be able to bring the game.
So the Kings are able to build a lead that went up to 15 points in this game. Most of everyone around the NBA watching this game for one reason. That's to see Allen Iverson wearing a different colored jersey tonight, playing his first game with the Denver Nuggets, and it's been a little, I don't know, giving tonight. Only 4 shots in 14 minutes, has 7 points. How's he look?
You know, I think giving is a good word. I think that he's working on the assist game, but you know he can score. You know he's got the shot. When it comes to one-on-one play, he's one of the best out there. But I've seen some nice assists in which it takes communication, and he already seems to feel kind of at home. You can see him out there talking with his teammates, and I mean, that play right there, that alley-oop, that's communication, the eye contact, and, you know, these guys just met this afternoon.
That's true. No practice time, and they're still able to get it done. But Sacramento has controlled. We'll see how they do things in the third quarter in this ball game. But straight ahead, we're going to stay here in Sacramento and show you what it's like to get out in the community. Big day for Maloof Sports and Entertainment. Joe and Gavin Maloof doing something.